What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to use L'Hopital's rule when we are dealing with situations that you need to use L'Hopital's rule more than once. Here we have evaluate limit of x squared over e to the power of negative x when x is approaching negative infinity. So what we need to do when you sub it there is going to be negative infinity to the power of 2 over e to the power of negative infinity, which is going to be infinity over infinity. So we need to use L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of the numerator is 2x. Derivative of denominator is negative e to the power of negative x. Limit when x is approaching negative infinity. That's going to be negative 2 infinity over negative e to the power of negative infinity, which is going to be negative infinity over negative infinity, which is going to be infinity over infinity. So we do one more time. We're going to have limit of the derivative of 2x is 2, and derivative of negative e to the power of negative x is going to be e to the power of negative x when x is approaching negative infinity. So that's going to be 2 over e to the power of negative infinity. So it's going to be 2 over e to the power of infinity, which is going to be equal to 0. So that's how we use L'Hopital's rule more than once in some cases. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. When you subscribe, you can have access to many other videos regarding L'Hopital's rule, differentiation, limits, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.